Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Swaggy. Welcome back to my channel, and today is my birthday vlog day. Today it's my birthday. Yes, I am an October baby. I'm a Scorpio baby. Yeah. And you don't pay attention on my mask, it's just my carbonated bubble clay mask. Okay, so that's why I look like that. Yeah, as you guys see, my husband tried to entertain me on my birthday because it didn't started regular. Yeah. No, you couldn't kiss me. I have a mask. Yeah. So it just started super regular. We woke up and I made some breakfast. My husband wanted to make some breakfast for me, but we did run out of eggs. So I just blended some smoothie for me. Got better, healthier. Yeah, then we had Zoom class. Kids had, not we, but we too, like we had to sit on near by them, control them. Yeah, it's just regular boring routine. But other than that, nothing really special. What Errol? What Errol Stevens is doing? Counting pictures from my birthday.
Yeah, since May together.
Okay.
So 20. Remember some meet for your birthday, 20 or
25.
2013. 18.
Yeah, I
So
turned 18.
birthday.
Yeah,
so, but we
when
never
I turned
decided
18. Yeah, so now I go have it.
Birthday pictures and stuff. See this one? So when they did a Subway.
Which one?
In the Thailand.
Yeah, this is the first birthday we ever celebrated for me, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's try to locate the next one. Which one was the next one?
The next one.
2015. October.
This one? No?
No, Leo just born. Smallest baby picture one. This one was it.
This one?
Yeah, this one was 2015. I have other pictures when Leo did not
That's
stroller.
so cute.
When we made the picture.
That's cute.
Yeah,
That's cute.
that's 2015. 2016 was it would have been very small. It would have been one. Donnie wouldn't burn it. Was this one?
Which one?
This.
Oh yeah, next one. Cause I remember like in Haiphong, I used to always celebrate in one Japanese place.
Yeah,
You know,
Japanese.
like 2 or 3 times I celebrated. 2
Yeah,
times.
since the birthday, you know, most of the, I think
And
most of the
then-
cases were Japanese.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, 2015
Oh, I love sushi too
was
much.
Japanese. This was Japanese.
Japanese, yeah.
Alright, after the birthday was this
And
one.
that.
Now.
That's all.
No, I try. Which was the next birthday? This one and Daniel born.
Oh,
was
this is not
2017.
Japanese place.
No.
I was like nice American buffet, Texas, or whatever it is.
Barbecue.
Texas barbecue, yeah.
So Daniel look here. And then the birthday after that, which will be 2018. That was this one.
Which one?
2018,
Oh yeah, it's in
yeah,
Jamaica.
come up
When we
Jamaica.
just came to Jamaica from Haiphong. Yeah.
So if that was 2018, 2019 will be what?
2019.
2019. Oh.
2019. Yo, me remember.
That one them for stroll for. That's the one I'm telling you.
Is missing.
Yeah,
Oh, what we did Panda Day.
2019. We did the
No,
we did
bueno.
the Tanoa. We did the Vietnam.
Eh?
Yeah, I was in Vietnam. We need to go through the phone and look.
Okay.
2019.
Yeah, man, Tanva, we went to the hot pot place.
Hot pot this.
Yeah, man, we went to one hot pot place. We just,
We did take picture. We did buy cake.
no, we did not buy really cake, but we went to the hot pot, fry some food, and
Them time they go through my football stress.
yeah,
Yeah.
football stress. Yeah, guys.
And 2020 would have be this.
Which?
What did the other day?
Oh yeah, when I said I don't want any cake.
Yes, you know, okay, so big one.
Yeah.
Today 2021, so this
Yeah.
birthday, you know, so I need to get the picture for today.
Yeah, well, definitely. Today will be a short birthday. Sharp. And sharp birthday.
Surprise birthday. Surprise, very good.
The first quarter. I reach, like how you said, the first quarter I reach?
Yeah. Yeah, we should
It passed already.
Next
Yeah,
one,
but
50.
past the first quarter. So I have to really celebrate. Because next quarter, like when Maga passed the next quarter, it will not happen too soon, so I have to, celebrate stepping into a real mature age. Yeah. And guys, with me, I was always ashamed to answer people my age, and I used to always plus some years. And when I was 20, I used to tell people I'm like 23, 24. When I used to like 23, I was saying I'm 25. I don't know why, but I was a little bit, I can see I was like, never wanted really to tell my real age, because I was thinking people would judge me because I'm too young for the family and I have kids already, and I did not really wanted to receive this whoa reaction. Yeah, but in Korea they say like when you have kids it does not really matter their age. Once you have kids, people respect you and say you're wealthy and you have money because you need money to take care of the kids. So yeah, but in most countries they kind of judgmental to you when you're too young with the kids. Yeah, that. Well, in Vietnam we didn't really care much, but in Jamaica and in Russia I kind of, yeah, I used to plus my age, but I think not anymore. I don't think age 26 needs some years on it. I think 26 is mature enough age. Yeah, 26. I'm soon 30. I can't believe time flies so fast, guys. Damn, it's like really fast. I mean, it was good. I'm 26. Sometimes I wake up in the morning, and first thing, when you're not in your right sense, when you just open your eyes, sometimes I'm like, who are those people beside me? My husband and my kids? Like, I have husband and I have kids. Because I still remember myself when I was 18, when I was a student, when I was living with my mom, and I don't know, just life does not wait for nobody. So guys, you must be wondering, Swaggy, what's up with your birthday gift? But let me tell y'all something. My husband already spoiled me maybe 2 times. So first time he bought me a dress like 2 days ago. He bought me a dress, nice dress. You will see the dress is absolutely gorgeous and I will rock it on my birthday. Yeah, then he bought me some little piece of nice stuff. Well, let me tell you something. So this year we decided to make a deal. When it's a birthday day, we just take each other shopping. So like I took my husband last time shopping, so this time he took me shopping. Yeah, and I just picked some stuff because we just want to make sure we can buy each other whatever each person really wishes for and really wants and will use. Yeah, so that is the deal between two of us. Yeah, so I picked some nice stuff for myself. Then yesterday he bought me a pressure cooker. I don't know, guys, it was good, but my relationships with pressure cooker is so damn toxic because within 3 years I've changed so far 3 pressure cookers. I do not know pressure cookers, they just do not like me. Listen, they just always spoil on me. I don't know, they're always something not work and you can't really replace it, something missing. But we can't live without pressure cooker. So we toxic relationships between me and pressure cookers. Yeah, so I have a new one now and I hope it will serve me longer than previous. Okay, yeah. And today my husband is taking me on dinner, on my birthday dinner. Yeah, invited me to my birthday dinner. Yeah, Danny, it's your mommy birthday. It's my birthday. Say happy birthday, mommy. Thank you, Leo. Aww. Thank you. Yes, Danny.
I want to buy America car. I want to buy it.
You want to buy America car for me, you mean? For mommy? Because it's her birthday today. This is not your birthday, so you're not gonna get nothing today. I'm gonna get everything today.
Yeah, but I want America car.
Okay, you're gonna buy it for me then. Cause that's my birthday, man.
Show you something you more than us. We can tell it that it's more than us. Take you there, take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the sunrise. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby.
Guys, we are going doing a road to this place, Aragon, to pick up the cake. And I did not see cake yet. I haven't seen it yet. So kind of like a surprise for me. Also, coming to know how the cake I go look. You're excited. Start filming birthday finally. Finally. Year 26. So guys, husband. This is best husband. Trust me. Yo. Hello. Let me help you. You're not gonna show me?
No.
No, you're not gonna show me. Alright. Alright, guys. Cake is doing road with us. Cake and we on the road
No!
Daniel, Leo,
to
come on.
celebrate.
Daddy, don't always want to
I told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel sit up and you need to touch. I need to need to I want just to know what you got. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We're having that's show you something you more than us. We're having that's
Okay.
That's true. Here's the birthday girl. Yeah, let me catch your dress. Oh, yeah, man, can I come through? Daniel. Yeah, black mommy, nice dress.
Guys. Lovely guys. Lovely place. Lovely company. Lovely me. Here, so we have a lot of nice food here though. Let me see what's good. It's a Japanese place. Yes. Sushi mochi. Curry. Noodles. Yay. Thank you, sis.
Hey guys, Swaggy can use the bathroom. So I'm gonna put out a cake. She's gonna see it. And our gift. Here she comes.
Surprise.
Surprise! Here's the cake.
Look at the cake. Is that a vodka?
Yes, it's Smirnoff vodka. Russian style?
Raspberry vodka. Style.
That's style, Russian style.
I like it. Thank you.
Hey, Danny.
Hey.
Yeah, that's a present.
Oh, you still bought me a present after you spoiled me right through the week?
Yeah.
Oh,
Why not? It's not gonna be nice if you don't get a gift.
present.
Okay,
Yes.
what is inside?
Show your card.
Yeah, me show me record. Yeah, so I open it now. We think you wait until we both can go. No open it yet. You don't open it till you blow the candle.
No,
Alright.
open it now. And then blow candle.
From morning to wake up, she look for me like say, hey boy, what God?
No, but we know you already, bought a lot of stuff from me
No, you never.
this week, so
You never like say nothing.
something else.
Wait, hold on.
Okay. Oh, this is to store jewelry.
Julie's.
That looks nice.
I want pockets.
Daniel. Oh, wow.
Pockets.
That's cute.
I
Wow.
want pockets. I want pockets.
Wow, so I can store my
Your
jewels.
jewels. Is there any jewels inside?
That is pockets.
What is inside?
A perfume.
Ah,
God. Good girl. Very, very good girl.
very good kid. Yeah.
Oh, that's so nice. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you. I say, Daniel, step on your good shoes. Don't play with it enough. Our Puma, you're saying Bolt? Oh, swag. Swag.
Can't believe.
Yeah, Danny, watch out. Watch out. Yeah, like in the movies, them say, no, like in a gangster movies, like them always somebody step on, put somebody shoe and he start shoot like, what up, boy? Ja. Woo, a lot of good food. Woo. Java, say woo. Sushi, mushi, cheesecake. Errol, what going with you? They're on the goal side, same way.
Position. Remember Instagram live with the Stevens.
Yeah, man, life with the
Instagram, Swaggy for
Stevens.
the island.
Yeah, man.
We're going a little thing over there.
Oh.
So,
I don't know with what to start, man. What to start? Oh my god. Oh my god.
you play it nice.
Japanese place. Yo. Seaweed.
See.
Oh crap.
Oops. You know, but that's spoil the good up dressing of you.
Found you.
Is it nothing to yes?
Not that, no. List.
Happy birthday, Kisa. No, yeah. So guys, yeah, from she was, I've said it before, from she was 18 years old till 26. People, I say that for me? Or for the sushi?
When you feed
Oh, and plus, my Instagram post from earlier, guys. I post every picture of Swaggy birthdays from put together. So I've been saving those pictures over the years, marathon pictures. So you can go check them out.
birthday marathon.
From
We're running.
so tell Swaggy happy birthday on her 18th birthday.
Yeah.
While she was in Russia. She come to me
And
20.
that's how everything started.
Yeah, that was a 2013.
Everything just started like move.
Yeah. 18.
Started moving.
So we have 2014 picture, 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then today picture. We're not take it yet, but it should look good. Swaggy, don't eat up all the food. More the picture with the food. Stop. Yeah. So either one, stop me down, stop. Just remember. Yeah. So I'm asking if taking we like the kangaroo, get the kangaroo and everything. Yeah. Alright. See? Nice juice. Yeah, man. Let's sing happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swaggy. Happy birthday to you. May the may the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. So make a wish and blow it again. Go.
Mommy's making a wish now. Hey, Daddy, not your food. Mommy. Mommy's birthday.
You want to blow it out? It's still a wish? Only one. Only one. I mean,
Yes, ready.
wait a second. Hold on.
Done. One
Go
gun.
again.
One gun.
One gun. Yeah.
Alright guys, so that's it. Birthday kinda done. Well satisfied, well happy, going back home to look at my presents and admire them. Yeah, so that is the end. Hope you guys enjoy. See you next time. Bye.